In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find new Arbitrum Memecoins on Dexscreener. Ensure you subscribe and turn on the notification to this channel for lots of educational guides and contents like this. Now, once you have logged into your Dexscreener, right, you're going to scroll up, look for Arbitrum, right? So we're going to look for Arbitrum. Okay, I'll come on here. Okay, I'll go back. I'll just carefully look for Arbitrum right here. Okay, yeah. So this Arbitrum. So for you to find the newly launched meme coins here on Arbitrum, what you're gonna do now, once you click on that tab, wait for it to load. Once it has opened up, you're gonna click on this new page, right? Click on this newest. Once you have clicked on this newest, you're gonna be displayed with the newly launched meme coins here on this Arbitrum chain. So this is basically how you can find the newly launched meme coins here on Arbitrum. Because this token is launched 2 hours ago, 3 hours, 4 hours, 7 hours, 8 hours. So if you find this video helpful, please share this below in the comment section. I'm gonna see you guys in the very next one.